This here is part of a pant leg from a pair of jeans, huh? Look, I drew an 18 cm circle here. Oh. Down and up, down and up. We basted everything, pull it, look, it turned into a big yo-yo. Fix it there. Be careful not to break the thread. Pull it as much as you can. There will be a little hole in the middle like this, but that's okay. Adjust it so it stays right in the middle. And make a few stitches here. Look. Then I measured here. It's 4 centimeters, 4.5.
Meio.
Here, look, 4 centimeters, 4.5, and here, 26 centimeters. We make use of what we have. Now let's baste this little edge here. Look, like this. Down, up, down, up. Now we pull here, see? It will become another skirt, a little skirt. Until we get here, see? Let's join these two parts together. Look. Let's fold this part inward. See? Keep it really close together here. Look at this cute little skirt, guys. We even think about making a doll with this little skirt. Maybe you all will come up with an idea. When we make a doll, we're already thinking about the next one. Put a little bit of glue here. Look, everything's all tidy, right? To make the arms, I cut a piece of cotton cord measuring 19 centimeters, and to make the legs, a 25 centimeter cord. Look, fold it here in the middle, a little bit of glue. Let's glue it here, look. It's really cool how we can transform, scraps into wonderful things. Fold it here again. A little drop of glue and let's go right in the middle, look. Adjust this little leg here so it doesn't stay too open or too close. Look. Adjust it there. It's looking pretty, huh? To make the head, I cut a 9 cm circle out of unbleached cotton fabric, but any fabric that's 100% cotton will work. It has to be cotton because if you use synthetic fabric, when you paint it, it will smudge everywhere. Same thing, look. Make a yo-yo up and down, up and down. Guys, are you already subscribed to the channel? If you're not, subscribe below and turn on the notification bell. That way, every time I post a video, YouTube will let you know so you won't miss any content. And if you're enjoying this video, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and like it. That way, you're helping me out, okay? I'm really happy when you share the videos. When you like them, that's a way to help me. Now we put a little bit of stuffing here, see? Let's press it down a little bit here. And then... Now we put a little bit of glue here. You can't use too much, guys. Don't put too much glue or it won't look good. There you go. Look, press it and don't let go. Wait for it to stick first so the hot glue doesn't show. This one is completely recycled. To make the hair, I cut this little piece here. Look, this seam from the pants. See? Then I cut 5 centimeter pieces and we put a drop of glue here. Look, fold it in half and let's glue it any way you like here on her head, okay? There you go. You can leave it like this for the kids to play with, or you can glue a little ribbon here. Look. I could have glued it even before I glued the hair, right? But I got carried away. But there's still time, look. Put a little ribbon here and this doll turns into a keychain. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Look how cute. Isn't it just adorable? And look, you spend almost nothing. Tell me, guys, are you going to make this cuteness for the kids to play with or as a keychain? What are you going to do? If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video, wishing you health and peace.